Hi there, my name is Ramon Gill. I'm the organizer of the Comic Arts Workshop. We've been around since 2017, but now we are offering an actual curriculum, lessons on how to be a comic book creator, how to be a better comic book creator. And the workshop, as well as the lessons, includes coaching, online work sessions where we get to work alongside each other, and basically a community of other creators who are trying to do this kind of work as well. One of the biggest challenges is getting started, just getting things going, and the goal of this workshop is to take you from point A, which is just aspiring and thinking and talking about it and dreaming about it, to point B, to actually make a habit out of creating comics regularly. Right now we are offering a one-time discount for people for the first cohort, the founding members. And this is only open until Friday, August 7th, after which the actual course starts and will open again until probably in the spring. So please check out www.comicartsworkshop.com. I will include that link in the description below. If you have some stories inside you that you really want to tell in comic book form, but some things have been stopping you, like lack of time, lack of bandwidth, lack of energy, resources, skills, knowledge, or even lack of confidence, maybe you feel like, you're not good enough, you're too old, or whatever, this workshop tackles all that. We are a community, a group supporting each other in this struggle, in this journey, and it's more fun when you're doing it with a bunch of friends than not. So I hope you'll join us. Again, just check out their website, and like I said, enrollment is only open until August 7th, Friday, at a discount too, and after that discount goes away and it will be a higher price in the spring. Okay, thanks so much. Bye bye.